Fibonacci series. So before we are going to learn about the implementation of this code and working of this code, I request you all to listen the statement of Fibonacci series very carefully. Right? The statement of Fibonacci series is Fibonacci series is a series and it's a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of its two preceding ones, and usually it starts with 0 and 1. So for example, here I already implemented the code and executed over here. What actually the thing is, so usually we said in statement that usually it starts with 0 and 1. So I kept 0 and 1 over here. Now the next number will be the comma. After the comma, after the next number will be the summation of the two preceding ones. It means 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Next number will be the summation of two preceding ones, that is 1 plus 1, it is 2. Next preceding number will be the summation of its two preceding ones, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. Oops, it's 3. Next number would be the summation of next two preceding ones. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And this series will go up to nth term. Right. I hope you understand the statement of what actually the Fibonacci series is explaining us. Now, coming upon to the implementation of the code, here what we did is we need n terms. Here it is n1 term, n2 term, n3 term, n4 term, n5 term. Like that, we need nth term. Nth term. So here I am assuming that I need up to nth term of 10 terms, right? So I initially what 10 is assigned to the nth term, and now uh, these were usually started with 0 and 1 initially, so that I'm thinking that n1 should be 0 and n2 should be 1. Now, what I did is print of Fibonacci series, comma, n1, comma, n2, comma, and is equals to two apostrophes over here. Why I kept like this means, so you see the console here. I printed Fibonacci series. So to print these statements, I did like that as I printed a statement of string, and after that I started with n1 n2. This is my n1 term, this is my n2 term. And why I kept like this means whenever I'm going to print the next statement or the next thing, I just want to print it aside of this n2 term, aside of this n2 term, not in the next line, so that I kept this and is equals to two apostrophes with some space, right? Coming up into the code for I in range of 2 comma nth term. So why I kept like this means we already have n1 term, n2 term here as 0 and 1. Now we need to go from second term to the nth term. That's why I kept here as 2 comma nth term. Now n3 in the sense this is n1 term, this is n2 term, n1, n2. This n3 term would be n1 plus n2, n1 plus n2, that is 1. It is satisfied. So I will make you understand it much better by using this. This is n1 comma n2. So my 0 is n1 and 1 is n2. Right. So this is my n3. Next, what I'm doing is that after this statement was executed successfully, I am doing like n1 is assigned with n2. In the sense, my n1 will become n2. The placement of n1 will become changed now. Now n1 is shifted over here. this is nothing right now. N1 is this, and what is N2 is? N2 is replaced with N3 number. So this will become N2. And now this is my N3. Next statement that I am going to print would be my N3. Therefore, this N3 will be summation of N1 plus N2, as he written a statement like N3 would be N1 plus N2, and summation of 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 would be my N3. Now I will update the value of N1 as N2 variable and N2 as N3 variable. Here now what is happening means this is nothing, and this N2 will become N1 and this N3 will become N2. And next furtherly, I am trying to determine N3 of this number, and this would be the summation of preceding two ones, that is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and 3 is equals to N1 plus N2, that is N3 is equals to N1 plus N2. So this process will go on up to the nth term, up to the 10th term. I hope you found this video well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and continue to the channel to learn the top 100 Python programming codes. So here you can check, like if I place 20, I can get up to 20 terms of Fibonacci series, right? Thank you for watching this video till the end.